Hey guys, Owen from Touratech USA here with a super quick installation on the new passenger seat luggage rack for the BMW R1300GS. This is a really popular product that we had in previous generations, and this year they've given us a nice update with a beautiful cover plate that'll kind of finish up the tail section of the bike here. Super simple design. You've got the cover plate, the rack to lash your luggage to, and then some hardware to bolt it together, so let's get this on the bike. Alright, each connection point on here just has a single bolt going through the top rack, through a spacer, and then through the cover plate, finishing into our washer and our nut. Only two tools we're going to need for this job are a 4mm Allen, could be a key or a wrench socket situation, and then just a 10mm wrench here. So you start with your bolt going through the top of the rack, then you want to put a spacer on there, and then find the appropriate hole on the cover plate. Once that's through there, you'll apply your small washer to the bottom here, and then the nylock nut, and move on to the next one. I like to get one started so I can just work through them, tighten them all at the end. Now that they're all started, we'll go back through, tighten them down one by one. Since these are nylock nuts, we don't need any thread locker on these guys. You just want to make sure there's a couple of threads protruding past the plastic on there. And with this all bolted together, we're ready to get this passenger seat off and replace it with the rack. Now to replace the passenger seat, the key is over on this side and it gets twisted towards the front of the bike, allowing you to pop the seat out of place. If equipped with a heated seat, the connector right here needs to come off. There's just a little tab right here that gets pinched and then it slides right off. Now to keep this waterproof, you might want to wrap some electrical tape around this or just tuck it nice and safe up in the tail. And then we are ready to put in our passenger seat rack. Same attachment style, you got the two tabs coming in around here, and then you've got the rearward point engaging with the lock right there. So we'll line it up, shimmy it forward, and click it into place. And with that, you've got your passenger seat rack installed. Feel free to check it out at touratech-usa.com.